Okay, so Canvas tutorial number 2. Forgot to show you exactly where you can add a file. So if you want a PowerPoint presentation or a Word document, you can add a file. Click on New File, choose File, find it on your computer somewhere, and then hit Choose, and it will hit Add Item. I don't need this file here, so I'm not going to add item. But once you add the item, it will pop up here. I can show you on another class. So let's see, modules. So this PDF right here. I was able to add this PDF, and students can download this, print it out. Trying to see measurements. Here, PowerPoint presentation. So it'll pop up just like that. And these ones, I think there's a way to put it to where you don't allow the students to download it. They don't have permission to download it, but it will take them some time for it to show up. But yeah, it'll show up just like this, and you're good to go. And this is what it looks like when everything's published. So if you have, again, different file types that you want, you can just go right here, go down to File, and add, click New File, and go from there. And that's it.